Okay, sir.
Just you must have seen. पुढे असतो नाही. काल सन आजपासून काल सकाळी हांवें फोन मारपाक स्टार्ट केल्लें. आमचे कार्यकर्ते, आमचे वावुरपी, आमची सपोर्ट बेज. तुमकां खबर आसतलें दीस इज हे चडशे कठीण दीस. To have a big meeting is difficult, but yesterday I have reached out to around 600-700 people on the telephone. Today you have seen these people have come spontaneously over here. I can never forget this. These are very emotional moments when people have always supported me, given me inspiration, and given me their blessings. In fact, I remember my life. When I started a student, I started the Students' Council, Students' Union. Thereafter was trade unions. Thereafter was, for me, life had been always a struggle and activism. I fought for the workers. I joined politics because I believed, this is very, very important, politics is a road to serve the people. Politics is not a road to serve self. To serve the people, to fulfill people's aspirations, demands, their problems, their difficulties. And I'm very proud that my people stood by me to fight. Alone I have started in the assembly to fight for the twin aspirations of Goa and Goans. To fight for official language, to fight for statehood. It started from here and it came a volcanic eruption. Finally, Government of India gave us official language and Government of India gave us statehood. I took every battle from this field, from this soil. I'm very proud of this soil because this soil is so inspiring. It has given me birth. And it's given me birth in the same soil where it's given birth to towering personalities like Dr. Francis Luis Gomes. Dr. Francis Luis Gomes expounded the concept of national freedom for India 35 years before the Indian National Congress was born. This soil gave birth to Cardinal Gracious, the first cardinal not in Bombay, not in Goa, not in India, but in Asia. These towering personalities who were born in the soil of Navili, I'm proud, I'm inspired, I'm working under their inspiration. Today the people you have seen, they have blessed me. So politics started as a way of life to serve people. But today it is no longer the same. Politics has become self-centered and we have forgotten that a politics is for the development and progress. Therefore, I had a Chintan, I had a Tapasya for nearly 15-20 days. Then I met certain leaders, I met some people who means, and they said, yes, you are a congressman. I'm a congressman of 40 years and I will continue to be a congressman of the Congress family. This family has to come together if we are going to fight Modi. Among all the 4 congresses which I have just mentioned to you, it is Mamta who have given a tough fight to Narendra Modi and their juggernaut. Narendra Modi ji had 200 meetings in Bengal. Amit Shah maybe 250 meetings. And then there was the Enforcement Directorate, CBI and everybody. But Mamta formula has won. She has been able to stand. She is a street fighter. We Goa are also going through difficult times. We need such fighters which are also in the same wavelength, same party ideology, policies, principles and programs. So I am a congressman and I would like the larger picture, all the Congress parties to come together and fight the next parliamentary elections. And I will do everything possible within me to achieve this dream of yours and dream of mine. It is definitely my dream. Thank you.
तुमचे बरोबर आनी कोण इन कॉन्टेक्ट आसा जे सेम वे फॉलो करपा आसा तशें कितें आसा?
A leader doesn't follow, the leader leads.
ना तुमकां फॉलो करपी कोण?
The leader leads. Good leaders who are there at the state level will also lead.
सर आज तुम्ही तुमच्या सपोर्टर्सांची मिटींग घेतल्यानी कितें म्हणलें तेंच्यानी?
Carlson, तुम्ही ऐकलं असतलें. They have all unanimously said you are always there for the good of the state, good of the people and the good of the country, which I have proved for the last 40 years. So they have bestowed their support and their blessings for me to go ahead.
So have you resigned or today are you going to resign?
That I have to do following the legal process. Yeah? Thank you. Both in the government and also in the private sector, where I have said 80% jobs must be given. But people who came afterwards, employment allowance. आता काही जाण लोक म्हटले you have already in death trap म्हणजे ऋण वाढले. खंयसून तुम्ही पयशे हाडले? Goa is not poor. Goa is one of the richest state in India and in the world. आमचो mineral wealth आहा.
There to support you, and we are going to win.
सर एक क्वेश्चन विचारपाची. आज सर न्ही वचूं सर सगळे आतां मी सरा फाटले आय सर नावेली बसतलो टीएमसी टिकीट घेवन.
See, गेल ते पावटी गेल ते इलेक्शन म्हाका जेन्ना सोनिया गांधीनी धाडलो बॉबी प्लीज बी दीस अशें करून म्हजेर प्रेशर पडलें लास्ट टायम आय फॉट फॉर. सी जेन्ना हांव गेल ते पावटी गोंया येयल्लो गोंयची पॉलिटिकल सिट्युएशन वॉज द सेम. आज आमचे कडेन 5 आहाय गेल ते पावटी 6-7 आहले. I built a party with your support, with your blessings, and I had decided I will not contest. Last moment तुम्ही एशें प्रेशर घालताय आनी 15 दीस हांवें म्हणटकूच हांवें डिसिजन घेयलो कंटेस्ट करपाक. I to remember. And I was feeling that why I should contest. And you have blessed me with your. You have always blessed me. तुम्ही सदांच तुमचो आशीर्वाद दिल्लो आहा. हे पावटी I have got dream for freedom. I have got dream for this country. So I will not do anything without consulting you. Let us meet again. There are so many leaders now in Naveli. Already I गेला 15 candidate बोंदाय म्हणून.
पावसान बेबे भायर सरले.
So I will come back to you. I'm not going away from today. I will take a decision with your support, with your blessings and Almighty God's support. I'll come back. You will see the change. You will see the change after 1 week or 2 weeks. There are a lot of people who wants to come and they don't want to divide a vote. आमचे झूज जे आहा हे काँग्रेस पक्षाचेर ना. We are also Congress party. We also believe in Congress ideology. Our fight is against BJP. Our fight is against these people who are dividing the country. Our fight is against the people who have let down this country. आमची इकॉनॉमी काबार जाली हा. Total economic meltdown. आमची GDP has collapsed. Our employment has gone 45 years behind. Not 1 year behind. 45 years behind. म्हणजे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट आशिल्लें तें 45 years आदी आशिल्लें इतली फाटीं गेल्लें. So we are fighting big. And I don't know, जो Meola, he fought in Bihar, he won. He fought in Punjab, Congress, he has won. He fought in YSR, again a Congress party, he has won in Andhra. He has fought now in Tamil Nadu, he has won. He has fought in West Bengal, he has won. So out of the 4 congresses, Mamta Congress, YSR Congress, Sonia Gandhi Congress, Anik Sharad Pawar Congress. He has got 2 congresses with him. And he said, I'm trying to meet now Sharad Pawar, I'm trying to meet Madam. He has been meeting.
बॉबी बाप तुगे एक मातशें हांव जाप दितां जेन्ना सुत्रान प्रेसिडेंट आसलो आमचो MLA तेन्ना तेणें म्हाका ऑफर दिल्लो आनी हांव भोंवतालो तेन्नाय काँग्रेसमॅनान ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलें हें सगळें चोवून हांवें 8 म्हयने एडवान्स हांवें म्हाका नाका म्हणलें हांवें पेपराचेर पासून दिलें आनी दोतोर लुइजना फाल्यां रावन सांगलें तो मगीर तापोवंक लागलो आपणा पळय नासतना तुवें पेपराचेर कशें दिलें म्हाका नाका आसलें ताका दुखयलोलें आनी म्हाका जाय आसलो तोच बसतलो त्या टायमार आनी ताणें डिसिजन घेवं ना 15 दीस आहा म्हळ्यार आमी सगळ्या लोकांनी ताका प्रेशर
Seek your support. I'm going ahead. The roads may not be smooth, but those who dare will win. Those who are scared will never win. Not that I am going first time. तुमच्या आदारान हांवें पयलेच पावट गोंया एब्सोल्यूट मेजॉरिटी हाडली काँग्रेस पक्षाक पण आनी कितें केलें काँग्रेसान आमचो सरकार उडयलो दीस टायम हांव जेन्ना दिल्ली आशिल्लो सोनिया गांधीन म्हाका सांगलें तूं दिल्ली यो म्हाका खूब दूख जातालें वचपाक कित्याक आय डिडंट वॉन्ट टू लीव गोवा बट आय लेफ्ट गोवा आनी तुमच्या मागण्यांनी आनी देवाच्या आशिर्वादान God gave me success. I brought twice Congress government in Mizoram, twice in Arunachal Pradesh, twice in Meghalaya. I brought in Manipur, and even as the chairman of the election screening committee, I brought in Karnataka also. Tajuburan Mark Goya Pilo. I tried my best to get a majority. I would have got the majority, but I had 17 plus 1, and that night we had 21. But our own general secretary stopped me. He said, no, you cannot give the letter to the governor. Next day, that majority also was robbed away. Then I was elected, not selected, as a leader of opposition by 13 votes out of 17. Kidago amgel amdar sutra ashile. When the government was taken away, I told them, I don't want to be the leader of opposition. I don't want to be CLP leader. कित्याक लोक आमकडे विचारलो तुमकां मेजॉरिटी दिली तुमी कितें केलें तुमी सरकार उगडायलो तेजे उपरांत आमगेलो जनरल सेक्रेटरी दिल्लीचो गेलो कोण आमदारा बरेक आनी सांगिल्लें लुईजन फालेर ना जाल्यार आमी 24 वरां भितर सरकार कोताय म्हण लुईजन फालेराक काळें एज अ PCC president I left CLP leadership. I came back and I told them हांव Delhi होता, I will submit my resignation as a president. तुम्ही तरी 24 वरां भितर सरकार करूं शकताय जाल्यार सरकार करूं. I am waiting for 24 hours to be completed. I am waiting for the government. Let me tell you, I have suffered in silence. It was a dignified silence. It was a pain. But I am not bothered about my pain. So for 4.5 years, if I have suffered in dignified pain and suffering, I am thinking of you. To me, Gonchal Lokan, who has voted us. So if my suffering is so much, how much suffering will be yours who have supported the Congress party and have got the single largest majority? So let us stop this suffering. Let us start a new day with a new formula. And I can tell you, if you know a good way, if you have got a good roadmap, God will bring victory to the popular aspirations of Goa and Goans. This is not a time. Let us build something.
सर जितू विश्वास तुजेर आहा आनी कोणाच्या बेब्याचेर ना.
देव बरें करूं.
म्हणजे सर तुम्ही काँग्रेसाचो अलायन्स करतले
ती कोची जाल्याकू that has to be done at the national level, not at my level. I will try. My dream is to bring Congress back together, and the dream of this fellow also, Prashant Kishore, is that he said, I have got two parties which have come to power through his effort. The other two he is trying. In fact, he was in discussion. I had also written to my party high command. I cannot tell you here. But that effort should be there. And once we bring Congress together, we will name one name, maybe the old name of the Congress, which was started by Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi. I will never talk against my party leaders even now. But my dream is different. I'm thinking out of the box. I'm thinking for Goa. I'm thinking for India. If we go as it is, we may be landing at 5 or 6 seats. That is not what we want. We want to win, and we are going to win. We will have to think out of the box. We will have to work together, and I will need your help. तुमचा आधार, सहकार and तुमचा आशीर्वाद जाय.
आणि एक मास्टर
सांगता मग किसोवर सांगतालो
अरे बापू क्या